You found an egg? Let me see it. Let Mama see. Oh, okay, come on. Look around. Look around. Look around. You see an egg?
Watch your head.
Pink one.
A pink one. Another one.
Let Mama see your eggs. Look up at Mama. Look.
Oh, I see another egg. Pink one.
How many you have, Boo?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
You passed it up, BB.
Find the egg.
You can come with you. Are there
This way, Jake.
are there any eggs over here?
No.
No. Where's Mama?
Come on. There's some up here.
Set up there. Set up there.
Look around.
Oh, the hat fell off.
Come here, let's put your hat back on.
Oh.
I see another one. Do you see another? Look, Jake, come over here. Look around.
Oh.
I see it.
It is dirt.
It's in the dirt.
Uh-huh.
I see another one. Keep walking. Come this way. Look around.
That one looks like a soccer ball. Is there something inside that one?
Teddy.
Candy.
Uh-huh.
All right. Close it. We'll eat it later.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No. You might want to take that wrapper off, Boo.
To the blubbers.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Turn around and look at Mommy.